splendid day. So, you're the most welcome these sessions, Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, let's get started. You are really very exciting to know. Today, I will tell you about what. So, okay. So today we will discuss about the acceptance in your life. What is the reality of acceptance? Why we are really feeling ourselves that we are nothing because of acceptance, because you didn't accept your real life, whatever you have. So today I will tell you, if you will try to accept your reality, definitely you will be a really awesome in your life, and definitely you cannot be think about you that you are nothing. You cannot think about you that you are poor. You cannot think about you that you are nothing. But definitely when you will try to acceptance in your life, definitely you know it's really necessary. And definitely I gonna show, I gonna show with you, I gonna promise to you that you just think once, when you just acceptance your reality in the real life, what you are, and for that things you will be, you will be a crazy to nourish yourself. Okay, I just give you a real example. Okay, just see, my wall is not good right now because of actually, like before 15 days my neighbor had some constructions work, and because of that constructions work, I don't know what's happening, like in the wall side a lot of water, and just because of the water, rainy water, and wall is so much, the sea, it is not look like as a beautiful, it is not look like as a good paint also are there. But still I'm also making a video, just because of, no matter what kind of things do you have, what kind of status do you have, it's okay. A lot of people also suffering a different of life, but it's not mean that you don't have any kind of things and you just skip all things. And because of this, because you are feeling embarrassing on you, because you don't have a really very good wall, beautiful wall, beautiful paint, beautiful painting on the wall, beautiful background to making a video. It's not mean is that just think about your reality, and on the reality just try to work on your acceptance. When you will think to polish on your reality life, definitely it is really working in the future, and you don't have need to face any cheap reality which you had in your real life in the past, because you accept it. And when you will seriously, when you accept your reality, and you just think not once, you just think many time, that no, I don't want to survive in the future. And because of that thing, you just started you will seriously, you seemed start your journey. And when you will start your journey, so think your journey will become really amazing, because you just decided whatever anything is happened with me, but try, I will try always. I will not think that I don't have really very beautiful background, no matter. But it is a kind of excuse. If I will think, suppose I just give you example, if I will think I don't have really very background, so I cannot make a videos, it's not mean. If I will think, definitely I cannot open my YouTube channel. I cannot own any things. I cannot do new things in my life. I cannot say to my friends, please just come at my home and we will make a conversation to each other, we will play to each other, we will interact to each other, we will converse, we will like interact to each other. No, we cannot say. But you just think that whatever I am, just accept it. If you want to connect with me, of course you can come. If you don't and if you don't want to include me, it's okay, it's up to you. But I am really very proud on myself, on my reality, because I do not proud on myself. I do not have any kind of attitude. But yeah, I'm really so much proud on myself, because I'm really so much proud on myself, no matter I have a really very silly background. But why I'm so much proud on myself? Because of right now I'm able to speak in front of you all. I'm able to convey my message. I can speak in front of you all. I can share whatever I have. I can share my emotions, my feelings, whatever I want to share with you all, because you all are my best friends. So why we are shying, why we are embarrassing in front of my audience? No, because my audience accepted to me with my lacking of point, with my sometimes I also doing a lot of mistakes while my speaking in the grammar sessions. Sometimes I also speak a lot of wrong words. Sometimes I also pronounce, but still you all are accepting. So because of your belief, I'm just trying to polish to myself, but I never escape that things, just because of I know that what is a reality me. I know that I'm not good at English, but I can be perfect in English. How? When I just practice, when I just speak, when I just share whatever I learned, whatever I have to motivate you. So definitely I will do that, no matter what I am in my real life, no matter what kind of instruments I have to sharing with you after the video. It's really very matter that how much important I am in my life, how much important you all are in my life, how much I am lucky that I have really really beautiful thoughts to make about the wars. So of course I also can share, I also can make a lot of thoughts just because of the wall. So I also can I also can write the picture as well. I also can I also can create the scenario about my background, whatever I have. So you do not think about me that how much I am lucky. Definitely you're really lucky. So how? Because I accepted my reality. But on the reality, on behalf of reality, I'm just trying to polish on myself, I'm just trying to correct to myself, I'm just doing work on my reality, so that I will have no need to face in the future which I am facing today, So for the things, I hope so you can understand what I want to say to you. So I just give you a real example about the Preetham sir, real example. Actually, when we also had interact to each other, and I just said to I said to him, sir, please, would you describe yourself in one word? What kind of personality do you have? And he's 19 years old only, and when I asked him a questions, and he just little bit smile, and he's looking so much so much amazing. And when he smiled, I really so much happy. Oh my god, I think I also asked to him really very beautiful questions to him. but seriously he doesn't know. Seriously, he didn't know that because of him, because of his personality, I learned a lessons. And seriously, to be honest, I learned a lessons by Pritam sir. That's why I'm sharing with you. I'm sharing with you about the acceptance. Okay, so I tell you about the Pritam sir. So Pritam sir also told me that acceptance. I I would like to include to myself about the acceptance. Just because of when I was in the classroom, when I was a kid in the 6th standard, at that time actually he had to wear socks and shoes like that, and he had this type of bags, school bags like that. But he didn't never think about what kind of bags, school bags I have, what kind of dress I wear. But today, he is really amazing. He is actually, what can I say, how can I tell to you that he is really passionate to learn. He is really very passionate to teach everyone. He has no any kind of attitude. He has no any kind of attitude, no any proud. He is really really amazing, confident, really very cool personality. Just because of he knows what kind of reality he had having in the past life, and that's why we we should proud on him. Because of him I also learned no, sometimes not sometimes I also think many times. Before that I also thought many times that no, actually a lot of people also saying to me, Richa, you don't have really very good background when you just making a video. Just try to nourish your background, just try to do that things, just try to something creative behind that. So I just said okay, I just listened only and I just sighed it. So sometimes actually not sometimes, many time I also thought, and people also saying to me that you're really very good confidence, you're speaking so good, and you're also trying really very well, but your background so dirty. So I said okay, I just try. But Pritam also suggested to me, don't be think about the papers, don't be think about your background, don't be think that any kind of instruments do you have or not. Just try to think on the reality, just accept your reality, and of course on the reality just try to think how to polish on your reality things. Definitely and seriously, I really must say to thanks Pritam sir, that because of you, you are 19 years old only, but because of you I also had learned a really very beautiful lesson, and today I am not any kind of embarrassing on my background side. I just accepted my reality and I really proud on myself. Just because of it's okay. It's okay if you don't have luxury life, if you don't have a many dress. Just see, whenever I make a video, I also make in one dress a lot of videos. You also got easily, you can get easily a lot of videos in one dress. So I'm not saying that this is the actually, I'm not saying that I am I'm embarrassing, no. But yeah, everyone wants a really, everyone think that we should be carry a really new dress on daily basis, and we can make a video. No, it's not necessary. Necessary is your content, your personality, your thoughts, your message. That was really really important. No matter what kind of things you have, it's really very important what kind of words you just continue, because your words, by your words you also can make your status about your personality. By your words you also can win anybody hearts. By your words you also can break the heart as well. So for that things, don't be think useless of things, don't be think about useless of things. So just try to think that how much you are lucky, and when you think, and definitely you gonna try to nourish yourself, because no one knows, no one knows. Repeat the past, repeat especially bad past in the real life in the future time. And for the things you have to do work, you have to do hard work. And of course in the future, as I already mentioned again, Pritam sir, so of course you also can become as a Pritam sir. And because of that thing, now he is also teaching on the Telegram free of cost. He is also teaching on daily basis 7 to 9. You know, he had a lot of instructions by the parents, her parents, or his parents also giving to a lot of instructions that you cannot use the phone in this time, you cannot use the phone after 11 o'clock. But still he he do not prefer to fight with the parents. Even he is really very calm and is really very a good family. He also belong to good family, and he also always follow the orders by the parents, because he knows my parents is everything, my reality is everything. I'm just nourishing to myself just because of I don't want to repeat in the future. And that's why. And now he is only 19 years old, but he's also teaching to everyone 7 to 9 in English on the Telegram. If you want to meet with him, definitely I promise to you, definitely I invite to him. But when you will say to me that you want to meet him, definitely I will invite him from bottom of my heart. But before that, you have to listen full video, you have to follow your acceptance. And because of acceptance, you just working from today, you just working on the reality points. So definitely you also can be a really good personality as Pritam sir. So thank you so much, and have a great good day to all of you. Bye.